Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast, and today we're going to be talking about a potential tropical system that could be happening within the next 7 days in the Gulf, possibly affecting central and southern Florida. Before I get into this, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. About 85% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed, so please subscribe if you like weather-related content, and hit the notification bell if you do not want to miss an upload. Let's get right into it. You can see here, around Sunday evening, Saturday, you do see some heavy rain with a low pressure system in central Gulf of Mexico, south central. You do see some pretty heavy rain as shown in the reds here. And as we move on another 6 hours, it cuts out of view, but you can still see some heavy rain. Then you can see here, it pushes north into southern Florida with all that heavy rain. And this could be a problem. Now, we are not expecting, a hurricane, maybe even a tropical storm, but this could become a tropical depression. There is a chance that it could become a tropical depression, but it's mostly going to be a heavy rainmaker for Florida with some gusty winds. As it moves towards the Bahamas, more heavy rain. Just really, that heavy rain is going to be the main threat of this tropical system here. Now let's get right into the wind app so I can show you better. With this windy app, I can show you better of where the tropical system will be. And you can see, this is wind gusts, by the way. And the key is on the bottom, and I will be clicking areas. Moving into Saturday, the 9th, around 1 a.m.-ish Sunday, you do see here, right here, this is where it kind of starts to form together more. And there are wind gusts of 44 miles per hour. Now, that may not seem like a lot, but it could definitely affect boats during this time in the Gulf. And as it pushes more, you do see it become slightly more well-defined, with wind gusts increasing. Moving more into Sunday, the storm picks up speed as it moves towards Florida, with wind gusts reaching about 60 miles per hour, which can be bad, but it's about tropical depression levels. I do not think this will become a tropical storm. I do think it will become a tropical depression. There is a chance. I'd say there's about a 30 to 40% chance this will become a tropical depression, but there is a chance that it won't, and it will just be a tropical system. So it will definitely be one to watch. And as it hits Florida, it does weaken with wind gusts of 55, 45 miles per hour as it goes into Florida. South central Florida, 54 mile an hour wind gusts. And you do see here, there is another little system that I do think is connected with this one that is producing gusts of 88, 90 miles an hour. But that is not over land, so that's not anything to worry about as of right now. And as the storm moves through the Fort Lauderdale, Miami area, wind gusts are expected to keep up with the 55 miles an hour, which could definitely cause some tree damage and power outages, no doubt. And then it moves into the northern Bahamas with about 50 mile an hour gusts, so it really isn't too much to worry about. And then it pushes off and weakens as we get more farther away. That's your trusted weather forecast for this upcoming potential tropical system that could become a tropical depression. Central and south central Florida could expect very well up to 6 inches of rain in some localized areas. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Goodbye.